how to screen record on restricted apps. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So for that you may head over to Play Store and search for Mobizen. So Mobizen is a type of screen recorder that does not have any kind of strict policies. So this may be used as an alternative if you prefer. But it may not work for everyone. So the best alternative to record a screen is having your own device's default screen recorder. So if your device has a built-in screen recorder, that should help you record screen without any black screen, as applications that have restricted policy do not detect the screen recorder that is default, which is built in. So that is the method for now. Otherwise we have alternatives like Mobizen, and along with that we also have another alternative, which is HD recorder. If we have HD recorder, you can use that one as well. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to screen record on restricted apps. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.